Let's talk about making money online the real way. Because if you've been on YouTube lately, you've probably heard start drop shipping or do affiliate marketing or even make passive income while you sleep. Of course, all that is true. But most people try and most people quit. Not because online business doesn't work, but because they choose the wrong model for their lifestyle. Hey guys, welcome back to MLM Income Learning Network, your sure plug online for making passive income the right way. So today, we have 5 legitimate ways of making money online in 2025, and I'll break them down. The pros, the cons of each, and why one model that most people underestimate may actually fit you perfectly. Stay tuned. The first online stream is called freelancing, offering a skill like writing, design, voiceover, tutoring, or social media management. It's flexible, remote, and great for students or stay-at-home moms. But here's the catch. It's active income. If you stop working, your money stops as well. You're still trading time for cash. It's an amazing place to start, but not a way to build long-term freedom. Next up is e-commerce and drop shipping. Sounds fancy, right? Well, you build an online store, list product, and the supplier ships for you. In theory, it's very simple, but in reality, it's quite competitive, ad-driven, and requires capital to test products. You can make great money here, but if you are juggling classes or kids, managing inventory and ads can quickly become a full-time job. Third is affiliate marketing, recommending products and earning a commission. It's one of my favorites because you don't need your own products. You just promote what you believe in. But here's the limitation. You get paid once per sale. No repeat commissions, no team leverage. It is still a great entry skill. Learning how to sell online, creating content, and understanding customer psychology. The fourth income stream is content creation. YouTube, TikTok, podcasts, or even blogs. This one builds brand and trust, but it takes time. Sometimes months or even years to grow. You have to love storytelling and consistency. It is not a quick cash scheme, but it can create authority and open doors to every other type of income. And finally, the most misunderstood one, digital network marketing. When most people hear it, they think of pushy sales or recruiting friends at dinner. But digital network marketing in 2025 is completely different. Today, companies handle the product, shipping, and websites. You handle education and community. It's like affiliate marketing, but smarter. You earn not just from your own sale, but from the growth of your entire digital team. You are building an asset, a network that works even when you're not online. Stay-at-home moms can do it perfectly during nap time. College students can do it after each class. All you need is a phone, consistency, and the right mentorship. Whether it's freelancing, affiliate marketing, or network marketing, the core skills that you need to make money online remain the same. 4 skills that pay online. Number 1, communication. Number 2, storytelling. Number 3, consistency. And the last one, building trust. Network marketing simply teaches those skills faster because it's real hands-on business with everyday people. Once you learn to present, connect, and lead online, those skills become portable income. Here's how to start smart. If you're curious where to start, don't rush to join anything. First, choose a company with products you'd genuinely use personally. Then, study marketing skills, social media, short-form video, and community building. Focus on value before selling. Show your lifestyle, share lessons, document your growth, not just the product. So yes, you can make money online in 2025. But if you want a path that teaches you skills, builds community, and grows with you, digital network marketing deserves a second look. Because sometimes the smartest move isn't chasing trends, it's mastering leverage. I remain your host on MLM Income Learning Network. This is a channel that teaches you how to turn online skills into real passive income. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like and share it with someone who needs clarity on all these topics. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.